If you are watching this video, you are probably learning how to get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber to monetize your channel and start earning money. Hey guys, my name is Nicholas, and if you are new here, go down to the description box and check out my channel. If my video are the type of video you like to watch, feel free to subscribe and enable notification so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. In this video, I will review you 6 simple yet effective ways of getting more views, more subscriber and more watch time. 4,000 watch time. I know 4,000 watch time is a lot, so I'm gonna give you tips of how to get more views, subscriber and watch time and all of that lah. So tips number 1 is you need to upload your video consistently. First, you need to set up a schedule and you need to tell your fans or subscriber when will you be uploading. And when you set a schedule and time for the video to be uploading, your fans will be expecting a video from you. For an example, James upload video every day, and 2 months later he suddenly didn't upload for 2 months, and all his fans is gonna, Number 2, you can simply just ask subscribers from your friends in school or social media and ignore all the negative comments from your friends or from social media. And please, this is so important, do not be shy to ask your friends to watch your video. Number 3, website that give you free YouTube views and free subscriber. So here I am on my computer and I'm gonna show you this website to get free YouTube views or subscriber. So here there is a free subscriber website, which is subpause.com/membersarea. Okay, so I'm gonna and sign in. Okay, and here you can see you get free 10 subscriber when you subscribe and like 20 videos or channels, and you can activate once every 12 hours. And here you can see I already activate. So let's move on to another website. So here are another website. Website number 2, you can get 1,000 free YouTube views or 50 free YouTube likes or 50 free YouTube subscriber, and the last one is 25 free YouTube comment likes. But of course I choose views because I don't know, that's the best to me. So number 1, step 1, verify your email. Just read. Okay, and I already complete. So number 2, join the mailing list. Here, this one is the easiest. As you can see, I already complete, but here there is a subscribe button. You just press and that's it. So number 3, follow them on Twitter. You follow them on Twitter and that's it. Then they will ask you for your username and they will verify. And this one, add your submission. So you just enter your YouTube video link and there's a robot and just press like that. That's it. And okay, let's try lah. Because I already did it once, so I'm just gonna show you. You cannot do it more than once. You only can do it one time. Look, problem during validation. The free video cannot be added as it has already been used to receive free views. If you want to receive more, please deposit funds. Error code 4. And this is the last website that I'm gonna show you to get free YouTube subscriber and free YouTube views. So let's see. This one is the main page. After you log in, there's a free trial. I don't spend money, so because I haven't even earned money, lol. So you can just go to the watch hour, and it will direct you to this, and you need to watch 10 video. But this is very fast, 6 minutes, because they will show you 10 YouTube videos at a time. So I will show you. Okay, this is after when it's done. Okay, look, this will, you got 1 watch hour. You can leave the page or refresh for further videos. This one is when I finish watching all. So let's go back here, and as you can see, I got 18.7 watch hour left, and they already verified 0.3 watch hour. I will still get 18.7 watch hours, and you also can get subscriber right here, 400 subscriber or 100 subscriber. So now, for each channel you subscribe, we will provide you 2 subscriber to learn more, plus sign, or okay. As you can see, I already subscribed 10, then it will approve this subscription in 24 hours. After approval, you will get subscriber in return of this subscription. So I got 10 pending. When I get approved, I will get 20 because I don't know. Number 3 is adding video tags, tags, and adding annotation to your videos. So here I am again on my computer, and I'm gonna teach you how to add video tags and annotation to your videos. So here I'm gonna go to my old video and edit. Alright, so tags, okay, tags. And if you don't know what to put in your tags, there is a website that can generate you tags. Okay, go to new tab, and let's go, yeah, there, rapidtext.io generator. Okay, so just now my name is called Mama, so let's just put it, and it will generate you lots of tags. So you just copy and go back to there, and you can just paste. That's it. And how do you save? Okay, let's go to save. Alright, so now I'm gonna teach you how to add annotation. Alright, so just go cards, I think. Yeah, cards. Okay, it will take you to this page and add card. You can add a video. I'm just gonna simply add, okay, create card. Just an example, okay? You can do it anyhow you want. Right here, you can set the time. Like, I don't know why is it an error occurred, but you can just look back at the video and you can set where you want to put the annotation. So I'm just gonna put at 30 seconds. So, and that's it. Okay, it's already saved. So, okay, it's done. Number 4 is YouTube thumbnail and title. YouTube thumbnails is very important because those are the first one they watch. And if your YouTube thumbnail is not interesting, they are not gonna watch it. I can tell you that. So here am I on my computer again, and I'm gonna show you this website that help you create thumbnail, okay? Which is canva.com. This is a very good website. So let's just create a design, and you can just go to YouTube thumbnails, and that's it. And you can just create your own thumbnail, and after you finish creating, you can just go to download and just download it. Okay, that's it. A YouTube video title is also important because of CTR, which represent click-through rate. When someone sees your video in the search result, they use your thumbnail and title to decide whether or not to watch. Well-written titles can be the difference between someone watching and sharing your video or scrolling right past it. And that's it for today's video. Feel free to subscribe if you like my video. Peace out.